Multiple if statements in a Lambda function. I am trying to use 3 if statements within a Python Lambda function. Here is my code. I have been able to get 2 if statements to work just fine, e.g. Essentially, I want a Lambda function to use if statements to return x if the symbol is true, O if it is false, and otherwise. I'm not even sure if this is even possible, but I haven't been able to find any information on the internet, so I would really appreciate any help, smiley face.
You are missing an else before O. This works. However, I think you should stick to Adam Smith's approach. I find that easier to read.
You can use an anonymous dict inside your anonymous function to test for this, using the default value of dict.get to symbolize your final else.
This is one way where you can try multiple if-else in Lambda function. Example. Largest underscore number, 3, 8, 14, will return 14.